Never been into material things. I'm the type that usually connects to someone's energy. But you're acting used to me. Don't act like you used to around me. Are you getting tired of all my love? I need to know, cause baby, when push comes to shove, I need someone around, someone to hold me down. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in everything? Cause I wanna know that you'll be here, won't just go ahead and disappear. So can you do just one thing? Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. Baby, I'm here and ready to commit, but your lack of dedication, I'm tired of it. So let me know if you're gonna let me go. And I wonder how you think of me, detailed and intricately. Do you see me in things every day? Cause I'm in this until the end. So just be real and don't pretend, cause I can't love someone who's gonna go away. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers, flowers. Oh, And please tell me you still think of me, detailed and intricately. Does your heart still beat to the sound of my name? Cause I remember that we both promised to never leave a love like this. So tell me that you still feel the same. Bring me flowers so I know that you still care. Bring me flowers so I know that you're still there. But bring me flowers, won't you bring me flowers, baby? Bring me flowers that you think look like me. Bring me flowers with my energy. But bring me flowers, flowers,
My will, I'm holding on tight, and yes, I've been better. I've been better. Cause the truth is, I know you saw my words and stuttered and stammered for a while. Truth is, I know you saw my words and confrontation's not my style. So you could call me cruel, and you could call me weak, but I'll I'll just sit here and break, and you'll just sit and smile, 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 smile. Well, you came to me again last night and asked me, did I get your letter? How are things? They're not the same, they're not the same since I changed my name.